Hi, it's Mike at Phase One. I never thought I'd be doing a video about a range of stands, but we've taken a new range of stands into the shop and I really like them, and I think it's a product you need to see. So, this isn't about a specific stand, this is about a range of stands. Now we've only got some of the stands in, but I think you'll get an idea of why I need you to see this. It's a brand new range that we've taken in here at Phase One called Gravity. And they do several different stands. We've only taken a few of the items in to see what the range is like, and so far I am suitably impressed, which has led me to doing this little video. Now, one thing I will say is they look fantastic. If stands could be sexy, this is them. I just like the design. I like the funky green and black design. I think the packaging looks really great, but I mean, I know you're not going to get excited about a coloured box, but as a shopkeeper I think the packaging is brilliant and it just screams quality. They're getting the packaging right and they're going to all this effort with a product of making it look good and really good quality packaging. It means that the product's quality as well. You know, I'll use an example, Apple. When you buy an Apple product, it comes in a nice box and you know it's just going to be a nice item when you open it. This is what I feel about this, is the way it's packaged screams quality. It's a German company, which means German engineering at its finest. We've taken a few of the products in, we'll show you them. One thing I will say about this, they have this funky green design going on. I'll just bring you this bit to the cameras here. Right, you can see they've got these green little touches here. Right, well, they are removable. Alright, and you can take that off, and that's called a G-ring. Now there's a word I never thought I'd say on one of my videos. But you can get these in all different colours. Now why would you want that? Well, I think if you had a large stock of stands, say you're a big hire company, and your certain stands needed to go with certain fixtures or certain applications, you could colour code your system. So I think it's a really nice idea. Right? So we've got the speaker stands here. Right? It's not the cheapest speaker stand we've ever sold, but it is super duper quality. Again, you can remove these little rings off there if you don't like the green, and the speaker stands actually come with a set of black rings as well that you can replace, but you can buy them as an extra in all kinds of different colours. There's pinks, purples, yellows, blues, browns, so you could colour code your stock, your inventory. Right, so what have we got? What have we taken in here at Phase One? Well, we've taken in the speaker stands. The speaker stand is superb quality, it really is. And what we're going to do as well on this video is we're going to take some photos and take some close-up photos, but I really like the quality of it. I don't think it's going to drop to bits. The package we've taken in comes with a bag, so it's a pair of stands in a bag. Now, like I say, it's not the cheapest set of speaker stands I've ever sold, but this bag ain't a cheap, nasty bag neither. It's proper good quality. It's got a nice foamy handle on there. Again, I'm going to take some pictures. I don't know whether we're getting this on the camera, but it's got a Velcro top with a double zip that goes down. Look at that, green, separated, all padded, really good quality. You get hold of it and you just think, the zips aren't going to break on this, the handles are not going to drop off. It's a quality item. Really good. But again, I'll take some more photos of that. So that kit is 2 stands and it comes in a bag. Really cool. Other items that we've taken in. Let me show you this. You're going to like this. That sits on any speaker stand. Now you can see it's angled there. Yeah. So if you want to add a tilt to your speaker system, and this is standard size speakers, 35 mil? Yeah, 35 mil standard speaker size. So now we add that and we can tilt our speakers. Now, it doesn't have to be tilted, you can wind that in. And now that goes straight. Tell you what we do, let's stop the camera and I'll get a speaker and pop it on the top. So there you go, I've put that speaker on there and that's angled down there and there. Now I think that looks great. Right? The fact that we can angle it and then you lock it into position. Right, now if I go like that, can wind it in while the speaker's on the stand, tilting it back up so we can get it to straight. And this will fit onto any speaker stand, so it doesn't have to be a gravity speaker stand. There we are, we've got it in its normal straight position. And again, I'll drop that down so you can see that fall down into the position you want it to be in. And then you've got that tilted look, and then you can lock that off with a locking ring as well. Superb! Little bit things like that just screams quality, good engineering as well. So that was the speaker stand and the angle adjuster. You know, these are separate items. This doesn't come with this. What we'll do is we'll put a link in the description to the video that'll send you through to the whole product range that we're doing from Gravity. Other little things, we've got this little stand adapter here. Again, just it's nice and heavy, solid. This will go on top of here, right? Put a light on there, and I believe this will also go right the way down to from 36mm, right the way down, because you'll be able to put this onto a lighting stand as well, because you'll be able to tighten it on. But I think that's another handy little thing, all part and parcel of the same range of products. Other stuff that we've taken, a nice floor mount for a light. Obviously it's not coming with the light, but a nice foldable floor stand, reasonably priced, good quality. Again, this is all rubberized, so you can change the colours of the rings if you want to, but just a nice item, just a really, really nice item. Microphone stand is another item that we've taken in. Again, it's not reinventing the wheel, but it's the way it's built. And to be honest with you, it looks groovy as well. We've got a little clip here. Right, we've got adjustment here as well. Again, rubberized knobs, so we can get every angle. Oops, helps if I tighten things up though, doesn't it? Right, tighten that up there. I have a lot of microphone stands that sometimes just will not stay in position. This is not going to move. Really, really well made. Another part of the range we've taken in, we have taken in some speaker poles. Now, again, I don't get excited about speaker poles generally, but this is not a pair of speaker poles, this is one speaker pole. But let me show you. Maybe I should have had this unwrapped before I started the video. There we go. Threaded pole, solid, rock solid this, absolutely rock solid. Adjustable, and you could use that as a speaker pole there, not a problem. But this one comes in two halves. So you can have a short pole or a long pole. So it's adjustable and a short pole and a long pole. Let me show you. So we've got it at that kind of length, and then we can link this together. Threaded, just quality, really, really nicely made, and looks great as well. So now that's at that kind of height, so we can get it up really, really high. So we could have a short setup or a big long setup. I mean, look at the length of that now. Brilliant. So, in a nutshell, that is just the beginning of the start of the range that we're bringing in from Gravity. Quality, not the cheapest, but it is quality. These are stands that are going to last you. And they look really, really groovy. Like I say, if stands could be sexy, these are sexy stands. It's Mike at Phase 1, Gravity, brand new brand at Phase 1. Cheers.